Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Ronde puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Ronde puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Venge and Garapa. Venge has dark color and Garapa has this yellow color. Difficulty level of the Ronde puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to arrange all parts in such a way that you make 5 Garapa or 5 yellow cubes, whole cubes. Now, as you can see, each piece has yellow parts, but they are not cubes, they are like a half a cube. But you have to rearrange them in such a way that you create the whole yellow or Garapa cube. Then you can add another piece, then you can add another piece. And you can, as you can see, we have already 3 cubes. Then we can add another one, that's 4. But we still have 2 half cubes left, and that is not the solution. You have to find a way how you will be able to make 5 whole cubes of the yellow color. And that will be quite a challenge, since, as you can see, all pieces are different. This one looks like a triangle. This one has a Venge piece in the middle and 2 small triangular half cubes on the sides. And these 3 pieces, even though they look very similar, but they are completely different, since again all yellow parts are cut in a different way. And that makes it a big challenge to assemble the puzzle to make these 5 yellow cubes. Many Pelikan puzzles that are sold comes in a cardboard boxes. But Ronde comes in this bag with the Pelikan logo in it, quite unusual for Pelikan. If you like the Ronde puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.